Good morning students. Welcome to the first video lesson of Social Studies class 4. We will start with chapter 1 today. The topic is globes and maps. The page numbers which we are going to cover in today's lesson are page number 1 and page number 4. The time duration of the lesson is 35 minutes. It includes the exercises you are expected to complete. The resources required for today's lesson are Smart Social Studies Book 4, notebook and pencils. So students, let's review the new words you are going to come across in this lesson. The first word is prevalent, which means existing very commonly or happening often. The second word is depict, which means to represent or show. The third word is bulge, which means to stick out in a round shape. Let's review the objectives of the day. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to define a map and a globe with help of information provided in the book. Differentiate between a map and a globe. And discuss the merits and demerits of maps and globes in terms of their uses. So students, what can you see on the screen? Yes, it's the map of Pakistan. What is a map? Yes, a map is a drawing of all or part of Earth's surface. It may show the visible features such as forests, rivers, roads. Maps may also show things that cannot be seen, such as boundaries and temperature. What is this? Yes, it's a globe. But what is a globe? A globe is the spherical model of the Earth. So students, as you know what are maps and what are globes, so let's have a comparison between maps and globes. A map is a graphical representation of an area, land or sea, depicting physical features. However, a globe is a spherical, rounded model of the Earth. A map is two-dimensional. It shows the width and the length. However, a globe is three-dimensional. It's a round model. The lines of latitude and longitude are drawn in form of straight lines on a map. Just like in this picture, you can see the lines of longitude and latitude. These are drawn in the form of straight lines. However, on a globe, these lines are drawn as circles and semicircles. You can observe this in these two pictures. Whole or a part of Earth is represented through a map. It means a map can be of the whole world, and it can be of any specific part of the world. Maybe of a country, maybe of a city, maybe of a town. However, when we talk about the globe shows the whole Earth. It shows you the continents and the oceans. Maps show a large amount of information, just like we discussed that it can be of any city, even of a town. And of course, it shows more information Just like it can show you the network of roads in a city or in a country. It might show you the climate of a place. So maps show large amount of information. Comparatively, less information is shown in a globe. A globe might show you the continents and the oceans and the countries located in different continents. Maybe the cities also. But it's not going to show you the weather of a place. It's not going to show you the network of roads. So globes show less information. Now let's see what are the merits and the demerits of maps and globes. Means when you should carry a map and when you should prefer using a globe. Globe is a better representation of the earth as it is a 3D model of the earth. Maps are easy to carry and handle, so they are useful while traveling. Suppose if you are traveling to a place and you do not know the directions, you are carrying a globe. Do you think you can reach the right place? Do you think a globe may help you find the directions? Of course not, because globe is showing you a bigger view. If you want to travel to a place, if you want to reach your destination, you need to carry a map of that specific area which guides you where you are standing and where you are supposed to go. So the globes are not helpful when you are traveling. Maps can be viewed on different screen sizes. It can show a larger area and different factors like climate, roads, lakes, etc., which cannot be found on a globe. Let's review what we've learned today. What is a map? What is the globe? State two differences between a map and the globe. State the merits and demerits of maps and globe. I hope you have given correct answers to all these questions. Now let's review the answers. What is a map? Yes, a map is a drawing of all or part of Earth's surface. What is the globe? A spherical, rounded model of the Earth. State two differences between a map and a globe. We have given all the 5 differences you have studied, and if you have given any 2 out of these differences, you are right. State the merits and the demerits of maps and globes. Number 1, globe is a better representation of the earth as it is a 3D model of the earth. Number 2, maps are easy to carry and handle, so they are useful while traveling. Number 3, maps can be viewed on different screen sizes. It can show a larger area and different factors like climate, roads, lakes, etc., which cannot be found on a globe. So, I hope your answers were correct. Now, let's practice. Task 1, you have 10 minutes to complete this task. You have to write 2 differences between a map and a globe. This work is to be done in your notebook, and you are supposed to draw 2 columns parallel to each other. In one column, you are going to put the heading of map, and the other column you will be writing globe. And then you have to write 2 differences. You will be writing the characteristics of maps in the column of map, and in the column of globe you will be writing the characteristics of globes which make it different from the map. Your task number 2, you have 5 minutes to complete this task. The task is to complete a worksheet, Globes and Maps 1. in Google Classroom. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Have a good day.